Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being here.
Metal welding is a technique that has been used in furniture design for centuries. It is a process that involves joining pieces of metal together to form a strong and durable structure. Welding can be increasingly popular in the furniture industry. It is allowed for the creation of unique, intricate designs that would not be possible with other materials. In this video, we will explore some metal welding furniture ideas that are both functional and aesthetically appealing. One of the most popular types of metal welding furniture is the industrial style table. These tables are typically made from heavy duty steel and have a rustic raw look. Minimalist homes to create a sleek and the contemporary look. The metal welding can also be such as book, clothes, and shoes. Metal storage solution can be made in a variety of shapes, sizes, and can be customized to fit the specific needs of the homeowner. In addition, these furniture ideas, metal welding can be used to create a unique and intricate light fixture. Metal light fixture can add a touch of industrial charm to a room and can be used as a focal point or add interest to any plain ceiling. Metal light fixture can be made in a variety of shapes and sizes and can be customized to fit the specific need of the homeowner. Metal welding is a versatile and durable technique that can be used to create a variety of different furniture and decorative items, from industrial style table, a chair to unique wall art, shelving unit, metal welding, and add a touch of charm and personality to any home. With its ability to create a unique and intricate design, metal welding has become an increasingly popular choice in the furniture industry. Here are some. First one is durability. A welded metal furniture is extremely durable and long lasting when properly welded. Metal joints are very strong and can be withstand heavy load, make them ideal for furniture that need to be sturdy and robust. Second one is the aesthetic appeal. Metal welding offer a wide range of design possibilities, from intricate pattern and shapes to sleek and minimalist design. Metal furniture can be finished in a variety of ways, including paint, powder coating, or polishing to create a unique and personalized look. Welded metal furniture can be easily customizable to meet a specific need requirements. This allows designer to create bespoke pieces that are tailored to the need and the preference of their clients. Metal welding can be used to create a variety of furniture